Here's a quick Tech for Senior tip. Did you know you could use Gemini to extract text from an image? Let me show you how that's done. Start a new chat or a new prompt and place the following in that prompt. Please extract the text from the following image. And the image that I'm going to be using is in an email, so let me open that email to get to the image. Here's the email. I'm going to do a right click on the image and I'm going to just say copy image. I don't need the email anymore, so let me get this out of the way. Now, next to the prompt, I'm just going to insert. So I will paste and it'll be that image. Now the image is in here. So next I'll submit that and let's see what Gemini does with it. And there is the text, but I'm not quite happy with that. I want to go one step further. So my next prompt is simply to say, format the text. So the saying is in quotes and in a single line. Let me submit it and we'll see the results. There's the saying surrounded by quotes, followed by the author. That's exactly what I need for my output. So you can use Gemini to extract text from images. Who knew? Nice and simple. Give it a try. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, reading, and listening.